Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to inflate a foil balloon using an electrical pump, attach a 260Q balloon to it, and how to deflate it when you are done so you can reuse it later. Let's jump right in. Materials needed are a foil balloon with a self-sealing valve. I'm using a number 1 40-inch reusable foil balloon, electrical balloon pump with small nozzle attachment for the pump. If available, if your pump does not have a small nozzle, you can use the straw that comes with the foil balloon or a drinking straw. And last but not least, I like to use my hand pump to open up the valve, so it's easier to insert the nozzle and inflate the balloon. Step 1. Unfold your foil balloon carefully. Locate the inflation valve. Usually has a small clear plastic opening with a slit. Gently open the valve with your fingers so it's easier to insert the nozzle. Take your hand pump, insert the nozzle into the balloon valve. Pump 2 or 3 pumps of air and gently remove the nozzle. Step 2. Turning on the electrical pump. An electrical pump has 2 modes, manual mode and automatic mode. When you switch on the pump, the switch will automatically initiate the airflow, and when you switch off the pump in manual mode, this mode is ideal for beginners and for precise control. Step 3. Using a straw to inflate the foil balloon. Gently insert the straw about 1 to 2 inches in the valve of the balloon. Make sure you don't force it too far, as that can tear the balloon's valve. Now place the straw over the blue nozzle of the electrical pump to release the air and control airflow. Hold the balloon securely with your index finger and thumb at the base where the straw is inserted. Press the nozzle with your little finger to begin inflation, and gently pull the straw out. Repeat step 3 to fully inflate the foil balloon using the electrical pump small nozzle. Attach the small nozzle to the large nozzle. Slowly insert the balloon valve over the electrical pump small nozzle and press to begin inflation, making sure not to overinflate to avoid popping the balloon. Gently remove the valve from the nozzle. The self-sealing valve will automatically close. You can press it lightly to make sure it is sealed properly. Step 4. Attaching a 260Q balloon to a foil balloon. Place your 260 across the end of the balloon neck. Roll it up around the 260 all the way up to the base, and tie both ends of the 260 into a double knot. Now your balloon is ready to use in your decorations, columns, or bouquets. Step 5. Deflating the foil balloon using a straw. Take a regular drinking straw and gently insert it into the valve where you inflated the balloon earlier. Push it in 2 to 3 inches until you hear or feel the air start to release. You will know you are in the right spot when the balloon starts deflating. Push slowly until you hear the air start to release. Gently press on the balloon to help the air out. Once all the air is out, fold it neatly and store it in a cool, dry place for next time. And that's it. super easy way to inflate, secure, and deflate your foil balloon like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more balloon tips and party DIYs. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.